Comparison between diffusion and osmosis. This can be asked in another way also. Give the characteristics of diffusion and give the characteristics of osmosis. Therefore, let us first find out what are the characteristics of diffusion, so that once you understood that point, it is easy to compare the diffusion and osmosis. 1. Diffusion involves the free mixing of the solution without a semi-permeable membrane. That means a semi-permeable membrane is not required for diffusion. 2. In diffusion, both the solvent and solute molecules move directly into each other. Thus, it is a bilateral process. In diffusion, solvent and solute particles take part. 3. In diffusion, solute particles move from a higher concentration to a lower concentration, while solvent molecules move from a lower concentration to a higher concentration. That means both are taking solute and solvent take part, but the solute moves from a higher concentration, whereas the solvent moves from a lower concentration. That is the difference. Fill in the blank question can be asked from this point. Fourth point. It is shown by solutions as well as by gases. That means it is a characteristic property of gases as well as liquids. Fifth point. It can neither be stopped nor can be reversed. We cannot stop a diffusion, or it cannot be reversed. Let us see what is regarding osmosis. Osmosis involves the use of a semi-permeable membrane. First difference. That means osmosis require a semi-permeable membrane. 2. In osmosis, only solvent molecules move through the semi-permeable membrane. Here there is no question of solute particles moving. Only solvent particles or molecules move. In osmosis, the net flow of the solvent molecules is from the lower concentration to a higher concentration, whereas here the solute particle moves from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. Now, it is shown by solutions only. That means osmosis can be shown by only solutions. It can be stopped or it can be reversed by applying external pressure on the solution having higher concentration. These are all the 5 differences between diffusion and osmosis, or the characteristics. Therefore, this is an important point.